Welcome to SteadyStep English.
We are so glad you are tuning in.
This is a live educational radio broadcast.
We want you to feel relaxed today.
Yes. Take a deep, calm breath.
Before we begin our lesson, we have a note on our speaking style today.
We will leave a brief, noticeable silence after every comma.
And we will leave a very long, profound silence after every period.
This gives you time to truly hear the words.
Exactly. So let us begin.
Today, we will master the idioms of the American workplace.
The special phrases people use at work.
Yes, we will focus on time, work, and meetings.
This will help you sound like an insider.
But I have a practical question to start us off.
What is your question?
Well, everything at work is moving so fast.
That is true.
So how do we handle these fast situations but still communicate politely and professionally in English?
That is our mission today.
Yes, using these phrases helps you avoid sounding like a textbook.
Right. It shows respect for the time of your colleagues.
And most importantly, it builds connection.
Let us start with a common problem.
Okay.
How do you tell a manager or a colleague that you cannot take on a new project?
You cannot just say, I am busy.
No. That sounds blunt. It might sound rude.
Exactly. So instead, we use a picture of food.
Wow. Food.
We use the phrase, I have a lot on my plate.
Or we say, my plate is full.
Yes. Imagine a real dinner plate. It is covered in heavy food.
There's no room for anything else.
Yes, Lee. This shows you have a heavy workload.
But remains polite and professional.
Let us practice an example.
Please do.
You can say, I have a lot on my plate this week, so I need help with the report.
Or you can tell your manager, right now my plate is full, so I cannot join a new project.
Yes, it helps you negotiate deadlines while showing respect.
But what about extreme pressure?
What do you mean?
Sometimes time is very short. Your whole team is under extreme pressure.
Yes, that happens often.
How do you protect your team? Or explain a delay?
In that case, the food picture is not strong enough.
We need something stronger.
Yes. We use the weather. We say, we are slammed.
Or we say we are snowed under.
Imagine heavy snow falling from the sky.
It covers everything. You cannot move.
Exactly. During a team stand-up meeting, you might say, we are slammed this month with client meetings.
Or, to explain a late report, you say, we were snowed under last week.
These phrases are very useful.
Yes. They allow workers to talk about stress.
And they defend their colleagues.
Right, without sounding like they're complaining.
Just remember one rule. Keep your sentences simple.
Subject, verb, and object.
Yes. This helps your international colleagues easily understand you.
That is great advice. Let us move to managing speed and urgency.
I am ready.
When a company moves fast, time is limited.
Very limited.
How do you start a meeting quickly?
You use the phrase kick things off.
Kick things off. That means to start.
Yes. For example, let us kick things off with a quick update from sales.
Sounds energetic.
It does.
But what if people are making small talk or repeating points?
And you urgently need to focus.
Yes. How do you stop the small talk?
You say, let us get down to brass tacks.
Get down to brass tacks.
Yes. It means to focus on the most important details.
For example, we are short on time, so let us get down to brass tacks.
Exactly. Now, what if you need to warn people fast?
Right. A sudden change happens. You cannot give a long explanation.
You give them a heads up.
A heads up.
It is an early warning.
For example, just a quick heads up. The client may join the call.
Yes. It is fast and polite.
We also have bonus phrases for handling time limits.
Like saying, we're almost out of time, so let us take this offline.
Exactly. Or checking progress by saying ahead of schedule.
Or on schedule.
Yes.
When using these idioms, always pause slightly before and after the phrase.
So listeners can hear it clearly.
Exactly. Now let us talk about organizing our communication.
Yes. Clear professional communication is vital. How can a meeting leader check that everyone shares the same understanding before moving to a new topic?
They use the phrase on the same page.
On the same page?
Yes. It means people agree and understand the goals.
For example, let us make sure we are on the same page about the goals.
Exactly. You can also confirm this in an email after a call.
What if you just want a very short update?
You do not want to schedule a full, long meeting.
Right.
You use the phrase touch base.
Touch base.
It means a short contact or a short conversation.
For example, let us touch base next Monday about the client feedback.
Yes. You can also say, please keep me in the loop.
Ah, to ask for regular updates.
Exactly.
My last question is about managing priorities.
Go ahead.
What if a task is not important right now and needs to be delayed?
You say, put it on the back burner.
Put it on the back burner.
Yes. It means to delay something so you can work on it later.
For example, we will put the design changes on the back burner until Q3.
That is perfect.
We have covered a lot of phrases today.
We have. Let us slow our pace down even more.
Yes. It is time for a summary.
Today, we explored 10 essential expressions used in American offices to help you sound natural and polite. We learned how to use pictures of plates and weather to explain that you are very busy. We also practiced phrases to start meetings quickly and keep everyone focused on the main goals. Using these clear communication tools will help you manage your time and connect better with your professional colleagues.
That was very clear.
Thank you. Now it is time for our vocabulary word tour.
Ah, my favorite part.
We will take turns presenting 10 key words from today. We will share the word, a simple definition, and one clear example sentence.
Yes, and we will leave a quiet moment between each word.
I will begin. Number 1, idiom, a group of words with a special meaning that is different from the individual words. Example, my plate is full is a common business idiom.
Let us sit quietly for a moment. Number 2, professional, acting in a polite, skilled, and respectful way at work. Example, she always sounds professional when she speaks in meetings.
Let us take a slow breath. Number 3, colleague, a person that you work with in a company or organization. Example, I asked my colleague to help me finish the report.
Let the room be silent. Number 4, deadline, the specific time or date when a task must be finished. Example, we need to work fast to meet the Friday deadline.
Let us pause here.
Oh.
Number 5, project, a planned piece of work that has a specific goal. Example, the new software project will take 3 months to complete.
Let us breathe slowly. Number 6, schedule, a plan that lists when events or tasks will happen. Example, we are ahead of schedule for the product launch.
Let us rest quietly.
Yes.
Number 7, priority, something that is very important and must be done before other things. Example, fixing the customer's problem is our first priority.
Let the silence settle. Number 8, agenda, a list of topics to be discussed during a meeting. Example, to kick things off, let us look at today's agenda.
Let us take another breath. Number 9, feedback, information or opinions given to someone about their work. Example, the manager gave me helpful feedback on my presentation.
Let us pause one last time. Number 10, negotiate, to discuss something in order to reach an agreement. Example, we had to negotiate the timeline because the team was snowed under.
Thank you. That completes our word tour.
Before we finish our live broadcast, I have a final thought for you.
Please share it.
Think about how language is tied to culture. In the U.S., speed and physical objects, like a plate or a brass tack, are deeply connected to how people view their work.
Ah, that is very true.
Notice the metaphors used in your own native language when you feel rushed. What do they tell you about your culture?
That is a wonderful question to ponder. That's it for today. Remember, every minute you spend listening is a step closer to fluency. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe and join our learning community. Before you go, I have a challenge for you. Write one new word you learned today in the comment field below. I will see you at our next episode at SteadyStep English.